Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games not launching on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So if you go ahead to your library and you see a game and you try to launch it but it's not working on, then you have a couple of options. Now for a start, you can go to whatever game that you might like, so for example Among Us right here, then you're going to go to the settings. Then you're going to go to properties and then you're going to go ahead and click installed files. Now, first thing you will do is verify the integrity of game files. The games might not load because they have something that is crashed or any corrupt files, so this will go ahead and fix it. If that doesn't work, then what you can do is you can upgrade your drivers. Now, if your drivers aren't updated to the full, then maybe your graphics card isn't launching the game properly. To do so, you're going to go to select device manager, and then from here you're going to select for your graphics card, which will be under the display adapters. Then from here, as you can see, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, right click, go to properties, and then from here you can go to driver. And as you can see, there's a button that says update driver. So if you click this and it starts updating, then that should help fix the issue. If that doesn't work, then you can search for the NVIDIA control panel or the GeForce experience that you can control from your computer that also comes installed after your graphics cards. You can go ahead and see your library and then you can click on drivers, and as you can see there's a button here that says for updates, and as you can see I have a new update for the driver ready to be installed, and you just click on download and that should solve it. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.